you should forget about the Amazon affiliate program for right now. Let me show you inside of my earnings overview for my Publisher Report YouTube channel. You can see here I have 15 clicks for this month. Of course, the Publisher Report YouTube channel is not about selling products, or I don't have any products that the views and the subscribers would click through to buy from Amazon. So therefore, I simply mostly forget about the Amazon affiliate program. Now, I do have the occasional book that I reference, but the Publisher Report YouTube channel is about how to create and sell these books. These types of books right here that I create and sell that have specific softwares and or trainings that I reference, or that I show people how to use, or that I do reviews on about how to actually create and sell these on Amazon. So very rarely does someone click through on my Amazon affiliate link to actually purchase the book or make other purchases after they click my affiliate link to check out the thing that I'm talking about. In this case, a book that I make and sell on Amazon. Not to mention the commission rates for Amazon are relatively low. Let's zoom in here and just take a look at some of the commission rates. The Amazon games have a commission rate of 20%, but it goes all the way down to 4% for all other categories. There's even a 1% and a 2% and even a 0% commission structure. Now, they do have other special income opportunities in the form of the bounty program. For example, if you get someone to sign up for an Amazon Prime video trial, when you get a successful registration for Amazon Prime free trial, you can earn $2. But again, my channel and my viewers at Publisher Report, 4,516 subscribers, are not coming to this channel to hear about Amazon Prime. So therefore, that bounty program doesn't do me any good. So what do I do different? I go find software and training from different Amazon platforms or different affiliate platforms that are somewhat like Amazon, meaning that I can go and find products and vendors, the creators of the products, and I can be an affiliate for them, and I can earn commissions like you see here. These products, for example, this product sells at $67. I earn a 50% commission for every one that I sell. Of course, there are other marketplaces besides that one, Warrior Plus. There are also individual people out there that have their own individual, or they operate their own affiliate programs like the one you see here, where I have 11 total transactions for a combined earnings of $543. And if you take a look, the current payout level for this affiliate program is 30%. 30% of each sale that you deliver. Now, what if you are a big time channel like Lawrence Systems, 286,000 subscribers? They have this video here where they broke down over 100,000 clicks, 12,893 ordered items, 11.94% conversion, almost a 12% conversion rate. The money that they made or shipped items revenue for Amazon, almost $500,000. They made $19,281.82 in commissions. You can also see $144.20 in bounties. This channel, he talks a lot about physical products that people click through and buy based on his recommendation. Again, we'll go back to individual affiliate programs like this where I promote software and training from this specific company. A marketplace like Warrior Plus that is similar to Amazon, except they deal in digital products, so software and trainings, where I earn typically 50% commission, sometimes higher. Take that and compare it against the standard commission income rates for the specific product categories over at Amazon. And I think now that you'll agree that you should forget about Amazon for now and focus on the problem or the solution that you are identifying for the problem that you are solving for the people that you're creating content for on your YouTube channel, you can make a lot more money. But only forget about Amazon for now. If there is a specific product that you can recommend on Amazon, then 100% don't turn down that commission, even if it is just 1%. Add that link in your description, because your channel, your YouTube channel, You can earn money, and you deserve the money that you can earn as an affiliate for the recommendations that you make from the content that you create on your channel. You are providing value, so add those links in the description and let people know that they're there, and also that you are a member of the affiliate program and that you will earn a commission, but it helps support you and the channel and the content that you create. And that's how you can utilize YouTube to make money as an affiliate, by creating content and simply letting people know that, hey, there's a link in the description, check it out, and continue to build that sense of community, and your community will support you, no doubt about it. If you'd like to see how I do this and how I am able to build profitable online businesses from creating content here on YouTube, check out the link in the description. I'll walk you through exactly what I do, the tools I use, and everything that you need to know about it. Thanks for watching. If you got any value out of this video, give it a thumbs up, and I'll talk to you later.